Black holes are among the strangest phenomena in space. Many astronomy enthusiasts often wonder what would happen if someone reached a black hole or even fell into one, and is there any chance a person could survive something like that? Before we explore what might happen inside a black hole, let's first understand what a black hole really is. Despite its name, a black hole isn't an actual hole. It's a mass with gravity so strong that even light cannot escape it. Black holes are usually formed when a massive star reaches the end of its life. Its energy runs out and it can no longer maintain its stellar structure. At that point, the star collapses, explodes, and then compresses into a small dense mass with extremely powerful gravity. The larger the star was originally, the bigger the black hole that forms from it. In simple terms, a black hole is born when a giant star dies. Now, your fate inside a black hole depends on the type of black hole you fall into. Black holes are classified into 3 types. The first type, and the smallest, has a mass about 20 times that of our Sun. If someone approached such a black hole, they would experience a process scientists call spaghettification. Yes, named after the pasta. What happens is that the body stretches intensely in one direction while being compressed in the other. For example, if someone fell in feet first, their legs would begin to stretch like dough being pulled, while their upper body would be compressed. Before even reaching the event horizon, the point of no return, the person would be completely torn apart. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole where gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape. Once something crosses this boundary, it never comes back. But if you were lucky enough to fall into a supermassive black hole, which can weigh millions of times more than our Sun, your journey would last a little longer. At first, you would pass through the event horizon intact because the gravitational pull would stretch your body evenly. From there, the real descent begins. You would keep falling deeper until you reach the singularity, the black hole's center, where density becomes infinite. At this point, both you and the black hole would merge into one, and unfortunately, you would cease to exist. But here's something strange. If there were an observer millions of kilometers away with a telescope powerful enough to see inside the black hole, their perspective would be completely different. They would see a slowed-down image of you moving incredibly slowly. Then, that image would begin to fade, turning red, until eventually, the last thing visible would be a frozen snapshot of you stuck at the event horizon. This happens because the immense gravity of black holes distorts the flow of time itself. As for the person falling inside, the final fractions of a second before death would feel completely different. If they could somehow look outside the black hole, they would perceive the outside world moving at an unimaginable speed. The last type of black holes are intermediate ones. Scientists don't yet know much about them, and research is still ongoing. Now you know, black holes aren't just space oddities. They twist time, crush matter, and defy logic. We've uncovered how they're formed, what happens when you fall in, and why your final moments might look very different from the outside. But this is just the beginning. If this video made you rethink how reality works, don't stop here. Subscribe to Rethink Real, because in the next video, we're diving into a mind-bending concept that scientists say could rewrite everything we know about space and time. Don't miss it. Stay curious.